That's my drink. It's mine. You happy now? Guess what? I got another one. You play with yours. Don't you look at this straw. This is not for you. It's mine. It's good straw. Hey! Hey! You have 2 straws now. Actually, you have 5 straws now. That's why we started doing this video, because you already pulled more of them out. Okay, maybe he's gonna play with those. And leave my... Oh, well, no, it is mine. You can have Pepsi. It's not for cats. It's not even for dogs. Is that it? 3 times the charm?
6th time?
He's found the open bag.
He found the straw jackpot.
You can't have these. These are because you take all these.